Good morning, good morning. Hi. How is everyone today? Hope you're very well. I don't usually come live on my profile, but I thought, you know what, I will, because I want to show you what I've got going on at mine today. We are having a Scentsy open house because on the 1st of March, we have got a brand new catalogue coming out. So we are very, very excited. So there are new products, new fragrances, and I wanted to share them all with you today. So if you are local to Rushden, make sure you come round, have a cuppa, have a biscuit, have a natter, have a sniff at all the new fragrances. So I'm going to quickly turn the camera around. This is only going to be short. I'm going to turn the camera around and show you what we have got going on today. Let me turn it around. So I've got everything set up in the conservatory. One of our favourite warmers, that lovely furry friends ones. You can still purchase from the autumn winter catalogue, so I have got that there. So this is your last chance to get that. This is the current whiff box, which is flipping amazing with the new Scentsy suds. I've got one of my favourite warmers set up. Look at the size of this. Huge fragrance flower. So they are part of the Mother's Day collection, these big fragrance flowers. We still have available the current warm of the month. I've got, this is brand new. This is in the new catalogue. How pretty is that? You know how much I love a bit of sparkle. Then we've got some of our fan devices set up. Suddenly remembered I need to go and get the plug for the quad. Haven't got that. And some buddies to cuddle. So all sorts of things set up. And of course the new catalogue for you to peruse while you're here. And oh, there I am. I've got some goodies for you to take away. Lots of things to sniff. Let me turn it back round. There we go. And then in the front room, you have got all the little sniff pots. So I'm going to whiz it round again. I hope I'm not making you giddy doing this. So we have got these. Sorry, that's my dishwasher going. Are all the fragrances that are coming back. These are the ones that are staying. Okay, so they're in the catalogue at the moment and they're staying. These are what everybody's very excited about, the brand new fragrances. And then these, ta-ra, we are saying goodbye to all of those fragrances. And Hamish, he's having a little bit of a doze, but he's very excited because he's in the new catalogue. So this is our weighted buddy. So it's the second time we've had a weighted buddy, but the first time we've had a buddy that you can heat up. So you can pop him in the microwave. Poor Hamish going in the microwave, but he warms up and then he's very snuggly. So he is gorgeous and of course smells incredible. Sorry, the light's coming in the window there. So there we have it. Lots of things for you to sniff, to look at. There's a few bits of products that you can buy. And of course, for everybody who comes, I have got a very special sample pack. So I can't wait to see you. If you're not sure of my address, pop me a message. You can come round anytime between 10 and 2, after which I'm going shopping. So yeah, anytime between 10 and 2, I'm here for you to come, have a coffee, have a natter and have a sniff. How flipping exciting. So there we have it. Let's go back into the conservatory one more time. I'll hold it like that rather than swizz it round again. Then you can see everything. There we go. All right then, my loves, have an absolutely super duper day. And I look forward to seeing you having a catch up and a coffee together this morning. Loads of love. Bye.